Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So my today topic is how vinegar improve seed germination. That is proven by science. Know everything about how vinegar improves seed germination and allows the outer layer to break down for speedy growth in plants. Know everything about how vinegar improves seed germination and allows the outer layer to break down for speedy growth. Soaking seeds in vinegar helps the germination process happen quicker than usual, as it allows the outer layer to break down easily, which aids in seed sprouting. Reasons why some seeds don't germinate. When it comes to seed propagation, you must consider many factors. Water and soil are two, but the temperature, nutrition, seed quality, and other facets are critical. Also, germinating seeds need a good amount of oxygen, so their metabolism is quick. If any of these are not right, the seeds will fail to germinate. What is vinegar? Vinegar is a household staple that everyone uses to cook. It's an aqueous liquid that contains about 5 to 8% of acetic acid. Acetic acid helps certain seeds to germinate faster and allows the outer layer to break down for speedy growth. This also enables the developing seedlings to absorb any nutrients that are added during the germination process. A study was done at the Campus State University. It determined the effect of vinegar on the germination of eggplant seed and identified that vinegar definitely expedites the sprouting process. It was found that the application of vinegar with 0.001% concentration is effective in the germination of seed. How vinegar improves seed germination? When you soak seeds with up to 5% acetic acid formula, white vinegar, the seeds usually germinate in much shorter span. Acetic acid allows the outer layer to break down and also helps in decimating any external pathogens on the seedling. So, how to make vinegar for your seed germination process? First of all, mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar in 1 cup of water in a bowl. Soak the seed in this solution overnight, not more than 12 hours. Keep in mind, it's precaution. Plant the seeds your usual way the next day after soaking. You can also try the paper towel method for quick germination. Vinegar is a viable solution for more challenging seeds such as okra, eggplant, beans, and melons. It helps cut through time and start the germination process faster. I hope this solution will make your seed germination more easy and effective. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.